Hello, everybody. I guess if you're getting this message, this means I'm not going to be at school today. My apologies. My son had a little stomach bug with all the things going on right now. Didn't want to be sending him to my parents' house, and my dad's a little older and just don't want to take any chances. Anyway, I wanted to kind of walk you through today some of your expectations and things and tasks you're going to need to be completing today. Um, so um, Here is your classwork, your job that you're gonna be working on today. So obviously here's Friday, November 20th. You should be on. Um, Jeez, buddy, don't put your stop, ding dong. Um, Anyway, sorry. Friday, November 20th. Obviously, you've seen this. This is where you're getting the video. So here's your job. Complete the jobs in courtroom Google Doc. So it's right here, people in the courtroom. You're going to open that up. All the websites you need to help you with this are all going to be on there. You're going to be looking at the different people and who work in the courtroom. So the attorneys, the defendant, judge, jury, courtroom deputy clerk, courtroom reporter, court interpreter, and so forth. So you're going to fill this out right here to define who these people are and what is their role. What do they do in the courtroom? So again, don't just give me just a definition. If read these documents, try to be specific in terms of what their everyday job and purpose is. Once you're done, you'll submit it. Pretty easy peasy. It shouldn't take you very long. 15 minutes maybe to do, maybe 20. So don't turn it into be a big deal. Again, I don't know who the sub's gonna be. So make sure you guys are on top of your stuff. Don't be goofing around and on your cell phones and stuff the whole time. This should be a fairly easy task for you guys to do. And then obviously I'm right in order for what you need to do. Work number two, work on your study guides. I'm gonna give you basically the rest of the period if that's what it takes to complete your study guide. I'm collecting this. I'm gonna look at it on Monday for points. Don't forget Monday is your test. So where's your study guide in case you lost it? If you guys look right above here, so again, I'm in the classwork tab. Let's see here. Right in the booking process, it's right here, right above this post that you're looking at right now. Criminal Court Study Guide. So in case you lost a hard copy, you can always answer the questions on a separate sheet of paper. You could answer the question on the Google Doc. You could print it off at home, whatever the case may be. But again, this is your job. There's no excuse on Monday. When I come in on Monday and I'm looking through this, I don't want to hear any excuses. I left it at home, this and that. I'm giving you guys basically close to the entire class period to work on this, and I gave it to you guys last week, so this should be done. I hope to not. I hope I don't get a bad report. People on their cell phones and goofing around. So that's that. Number three, there's a Quizlet review here for you. You're welcome to look through that, and you're welcome to right here, booking a criminal to study, play games on it on your own if you'd like. And then last but not least, as many of you guys know, we have a guest speaker coming in on Monday. He's an officer from Bay Village. So I have a Google Doc here. So there's a second period and sixth period. So obviously, if you're in second period, you're going to open that up, write down any questions that you might have for the officer. He asked if we have some questions kind of prepped and ready to go. So feel free to ask whatever you guys need to ask about. Maybe if you have an interest getting in career to be a police officer, maybe ask him about that. Or if you have any questions about the everyday operations that he has to deal with and whatnot, that'd be great too. So those are your tasks. So again, going through this again to kind of recap, you have jobs in the courtroom that should be turned in before you guys leave. Two, your study guides. Those should be done, if not close to being done at this point, by the end of class today. And then there's the questions doc. I'm asking you guys to kind of write down at least a question or two. If you guys could, that'd be fantastic. All right. So anyway, have a great weekend. Be safe. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Don't forget your test. So go middies. I say go middies, Chase.